Well, today all we did was we redid a little garden wall, and we tore it down. It was too high anyway, so we dropped it, and we just straightened it out and put it back. I'm going to show you how we did it. Well, today we got this little bit of retaining wall, and it's just tipping over. Why is that? Because there's three types of retaining walls. Those that fell down, those that are falling down, and those that are going to fall down. So all we're going to do is push all the gravel back, take it down, and put it back. So we're just throwing some rugs down so that we don't mess the grass up so much. The last course. Now, once it's all cleaned out, we're going to flatten it out, and we're going to tamp what we got. When you're doing these little garden walls, there's no right or wrong way to do it. You see, the house siding is level, so we don't want to be off with the house siding, because you look up there and it's going to look like something's wrong. So we want to get it relatively close to level going around the thing. That's the idea. Okay. Another one. So I'm using pea gravel here. See it? It's pea gravel. The idea is that when we put this stone in, like so, that the water goes down and underneath it. Okay, we want to put a little tilt on it going this way. About here, even with the line. Just tilt it this way. That's good. So now we just keep going. Well, we got it all straight. I just want to make sure that's in there good enough. Now we're going to fill behind it with that pea gravel. That's what's going to choke that up. Okay. It's going to choke that all up. Then we're just going to continue with our stones like that. Very good. See? Because we know this one's flat. Fill that in behind here. Good. You're going around the corner. These things have a lip on them. You see them? Just knock the corner lips off, and then they fit right. You see? So we're doing good. Now we do. We know the bottom's level. We know we get this little lip up against the other ones, right? Pound it in. Same thing here. Grab another one. Pound it in. Need a little gravel. Pound it in. Make sure. Got to lean to it. It's going this way. here, we're going around the bend, and we can't use a line, so we're gonna have to do a little guessing here. Put it in, get the level, get an idea which way it's supposed to go. Okay, let me shovel right here. Right there. Gotta go like this. Now we want to follow that idea. Good. So that's it. That's the end of it. It's our little garden wall repair. So that's it. We just packed it with gravel, put everything back. We dropped it one because it was too high anyway. Retaining walls, everything should go over the top. It looks good. They're happy. They even paid me. Thank you very much.
We even paid them.
Yeah. Until next video.